welcome to Blogsthought.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ब्लॉग्सथॉट। ब्लॉग्सथॉट चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, today's episode is very special because today one of my friend from Philippines is coming to visit me, and I thought to give her surprise by cooking a Filipino chicken recipe for her. And today I will cook chicken adobo. मुझे चिकन अडोबो के बारे में सबसे पहले पता चला था मेरी एक फिलिपिनो कलीग से, कुया लेनिन. कुया मीन्स ब्रदर in Filipino language, but that was almost before 2 to 3 years. Then when I thought of cooking this recipe now, I almost forgot the steps how to cook. Then I contact his wife Zori, and again she told me how to cook step by step, and so I could remember again how to cook chicken adobo. So I would like to thank Zori for making me learn to cook this recipe so well. Thanks आते. तो चलिए दोस्तों, अब मैं खाना बनाना शुरू करूँगी. आप भी मेरे साथ देख लीजिए कैसे बनाते हैं चिकन अडोबो. सो फ्रेंड्स, चिकन अडोबो बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 1 kg चिकन, 1 tablespoon whole black pepper, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 8 tablespoons of soya sauce, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 or 4 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we need to mix all the ingredients together. Crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and add to this. And now you need to add 2 cups of water. Add salt as per your taste. Now cover the whole thing and let it boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the gas burner in low flame. And now after 20 minutes I am checking whether the chicken is tender or not, and yes, the chicken is boiled well. So friends, now half of the recipe is done and only the frying part is left. And when I was cooking, my friend already arrived, and now rest of the part she will cook. Now my friend is taking the chicken out one by one and putting it in another pan to fry it.
We don't need oil for this one. Okay.
I think to dip it on oil.
So friends, we are not using oil to fry, and we used a non-sticky vessel to fry the chicken. But if you are using normal vessel or karhai to fry the chicken, then you can use oil to fry it.
Guys, I cook half of the dish and for whom I was cooking, she is here now. And she is the one cooking the rest of the part, my friend. And I guess, wow, definitely it's gonna be very yummy.
Chicken adobo now invaded Kolkata.
Sorry, chicken adobo?
Chicken adobo now invaded Kolkata. Now
So now chicken adobo is getting cooked in Kolkata.
yeah.
And you know, friends, before I introduce my friend to you guys, in between I ask her to, hey, please help me in cooking. And now let me introduce my friend. Hi. My friend Meena, and she is cooking the chicken adobo, and trust me, she is the best person in cooking this, and she is better than me. Wow, and now it looks delicious. So Meena, we will add this sauce, or
Yeah, we can transfer again here while it is fried.
I love the smell.
So we can fry here.
And really, without oil, it doesn't look that we are cooking without oil.
Getting more brown, right?
Yeah. And I think this is one of the best recipe I know, that which is non-spicy and very yummy, even good for kids.
Yeah.
Okay, now we transfer the sauce here. The frying part is over.
Then we'll transfer this frying.
Okay.
Let me boil it.
Okay, we will add the chicken in the sauce. Wow.
Then after one boil, it is done. Then let it boil.
So now we added the chicken in the sauce. Okay.
So let it boil. And then once it's boiled, now it's done.
Wow. So we will boil it for a minute, or
Let it boil.
so we can boil it for a couple of minutes. Need to cover it, or?
It's okay na even not cover it. It's okay. Or yeah, better this one na. Okay, that's
Yeah. So now this is ready. Wow. Just taste. Is it? Hey, it's came yummy.
yeah, it's okay.
Wow.
Now start.
Great. So we are done with the chicken adobo.
So now chicken adobo is ready for our lunch. And after the lunch we went out and spent some beautiful moment together.